Hello and welcome to KZ's Daily Musings. Hi, I'm Christine Zedek and here I share my perspective as an audio message to an existing media clip. Today I'm sharing a video on one of the coolest forms of technology created at India's fastest growing technology hubs, which is Hyderabad. So I'm sure you'll be as fascinated as I was with this. So I'll catch you post the clip.
हम पहुंच गए हैं उस शहर जिसका नाम इंडिया के फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग टेक्नोलॉजी हब्स में बड़े शान से लिया जाता है, हैदराबाद। टेक्नोलॉजी ने यहां के यंगस्टर्स की लाइफ सेट कर दी है। हैदराबाद के कुछ सॉलिड दिमागों ने मिलकर ऐसा टी शर्ट बनाया है जिसके मैसेजेस आप चेंज कर सकते हैं अपनी मर्जी से, और इन मर्जी के मालिकों का नाम है ब्रॉडकास्ट वेरेबल्स। चलिए मिलते हैं इन कूल टी शर्ट्स के मास्टरमाइंड अयप्पा नागमंडी से, जो यूएस की अपनी फैंसी जॉब छोड़कर स्वदेश लौट आए। उनका एजेंडा बहुत ही क्लियर था कि उन्हें कुछ ऐसा बनाना है जिससे हम इंडियंस बेधड़क होकर अपनी इमोशंस दुनिया के सामने शो ऑफ कर सकें, क्योंकि वी आर तो लाइक दिस ओनली।
So what we thought is, like, can we create a technology where the message can change based on the mood? If I'm happy, I can actually change the message on my t-shirt. If I'm sorry, like, I can say I'm sorry, and that's visible. So what we did is we created a technology where there is a very thin LED panel that is sandwiched between two layers of cloth, and that is connected to a Bluetooth chip and a battery.
LED पैनल, ब्लूटूथ चिप, बैटरी, कितना हाईटेक टी शर्ट है यार। अरे कहीं इसे पहन के शॉक वॉक लग गया तो? ये क्या हो रहा है? ये मोहतरमा शर्ट की धुलाई कर रही है और वो दो डूड टग ऑफ वॉर खेल रहे हैं, लेकिन इन्हें तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, नहीं ना? मतलब ये है 100% सेफ। और ये टी शर्ट सिर्फ स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट नहीं है, ये और भी बड़े बड़े कमाल करती हैं।
The next comes is the fitness t-shirt. It is the t-shirt which keeps track of your fitness, daily fitness, like the number of steps walked and number of floors climbed, calories burned. And next comes this cycling jersey.
मतलब आपका टी शर्ट फिटनेस ऐप भी बन गया। अब देखिए ये कैसे इंडिकेटर का काम भी करती है।
It's like it has an indicator on the back side which just indicates the right turn or the left turn according to the cyclist.
टेक्नोलॉजी और कंफर्ट के जबरदस्त कॉम्बिनेशन की सबसे OMG बात पता है क्या है? कि कपड़े से लेकर लाइट्स तक ये पूरी तरह देसी है।
90% of the technology is from Hyderabad and India.
ये हुई ना बात। यानी अगर आज दुनिया में ऐसी टी शर्ट्स हैं जो लोगों के मूड, फैशन और फिटनेस तीनों का ख्याल रखती हैं, तो वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंडिया की वजह से है। इसे कहते हैं #OMG।
Imagine that. Who would have thought that one would be able to display various emotions via a t-shirt with LED lights? Well done, Ayappa Nagavandi, on broadcast wearables. It's truly an amazing concept. And what actually crossed my mind when I saw this was how, on one hand, we are all so vocal about a zillion things like opinions, right? We all are so big on opinions. I think this, I think that, I know this, I know that. But on the other hand, I realize that we find it really difficult to say the most simple things like, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you. I'm sure that's why he conceptualized something, as amazing as this, because he realized people are not able to express themselves so easily, right? So with Valentine's Day coming around the corner, let's not just depend on a t-shirt to express our emotions. I would say let's wear our hearts on our sleeves instead. And over here it's of course literally, okay, because I think that we need to really express ourselves to the people who we really care about and let them know what's in our hearts, what we really feel, what we really think. Have those honest conversations, express yourself, and believe me, it doesn't matter what the medium is, whether it's verbal, whether it's, you're saying it, whether you write it, whether you express it via a t-shirt, whether you use sign language, it doesn't matter. Express yourself. Let the other person know what you really feel, even if you're wrong, even if they're right. And if you just want to say that you care, just do it. This is the right time to do that, right? All right, so people, I just wanted to let you all know that this is a wonderful idea and a gift. No, I'm not sponsoring them, but I just thought it was pretty cool. So like I always say, smile, sparkle, shine, let your light shine. We all deserve to express ourselves and let other people know how much they mean to us and what we mean to them at the same time. Always. So take care, stay blessed, and have a wonderful day. Enjoy yourselves, and closing with a lot of love, hugs, and mwah. This is Christine Zedek signing out. Bye for now.